Today, folks, we're going to try this recipe. We've had it before, it's pretty good. Mr. Tom's meatloaf. Alrighty. First thing we do, we preheat the oven. We need to finely chop onions and celery. And chopping up the celery fine. Alright folks, today we're going to be making Mr. Tom's magically moist and savory southern meatloaf. We'll have a link to his channel in the description, and I think you'll enjoy this meatloaf. We sure have. Okay, what we'll do, you start off with 2 pounds of ground beef. You've got 2 stalks of celery finely chopped and an onion finely chopped. Then you're going to put in a half a teaspoon of pepper, a half a teaspoon of poultry seasoning, and a half a teaspoon of salt. Then we're going to put in a half a cup of Duke's mayonnaise. Alrighty. Now, we've got a 1/4 cup of ketchup here. Alrighty. Now, what we'll do, we need a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, or however else you say it. Got that in there. Now, we need to put in 2 tablespoons of mustard. Any particular mustard brand you like. Same with the mayonnaise. We like Duke's, but I know there's a lot of people out there that likes other brands. Alrighty. Let me double check. Oh, we need 2 eggs. About to forget the eggs. Pour them in. And then now we'll just start mixing everything. Try to get everything incorporated in. Try not to work the meat in there too much. This here, you just make it into a loaf shape. We're going to put it in the oven for about an hour, and then we'll check the temperature, and then we want it to be 165 at least. We're going to fix a glaze for it there. That is going to consist of ketchup and honey. Okay folks, we're making the glaze now for the meatloaf. We've doubled it today. Really, you can eyeball this. Usually call for around a tablespoon. We done 2 tablespoons of honey. The honey I got from a friend at work, Jason. And the ketchup, usually around a 1/4 cup. But like I say, we're going to do about a cup a day. I'm just going to eyeball it to where it looks about right. And then just mix it up. We'll see you here shortly. Now this is after an hour. Temperature is 159.6, but we're going to be putting the glaze back on it and putting it in there for at least 15 more minutes. You'll cook it till the temperature is at least 165 degrees. We got it out 15 minutes later. Temperature's up to 172.5. And we'll cut it here in just a minute and show you the finished product. Alright, here's the finished product, folks. It broke in half when I was putting it on the plate. We'll get the rest of the stuff here in just a minute. You all have a good day. Thank you.